Hi everyone, this is Juana from NSS Services. Many of our customers and friends are asking us about benchmarks regarding lead conversion in marketing and sales. I'm glad to share with you quite nice report that came out from Accenture, conducted in partnership with Verse, that has a lot of valuable information about the state of lead conversion in marketing and sales, what are the conversion rates in general, how many touches you need to have with a prospect in order to generate a lead and ultimately convert it to a customer. And I would like to share with you just a few information from this report, but I will strongly encourage you to download it and go through all of it. There is an important aspect here about marketing and sales alignment. We've been talking a lot lately into our blog posts and webinars about it. And I'm glad this report shows what it means when you don't have your marketing and sales aligned. The top complaints from the sales team as it relates to inbound leads, for instance, are regarding lead quality, the readiness to buy, and the inability to contact those. So this is really valuable feedback for the marketing teams. The state of automation, which is another hot topic in marketing, what type of marketing automation software is currently used by companies. Many of them use email marketing automation, CRM, and conversational marketing. Fewer use ABM, chatbots, and things for engagement, qualification, or nurturing. The most used channels for following up with leads, for instance, are still phone calls, email, and only few use social media. So you should definitely take a closer look at that. There's another important figure information here about the fact that sequencing matters and how you are reaching out to your prospects on which channels and how often. The most common follow-up sequence is phone call, email, phone call. And there's another interesting thing here. How often is direct contact made when following up with a lead? 50% of the time or less. Over half of marketing and sales professionals report that direct contact is made like this. Less than half of initial attempts to contact are made within 30 minutes. And the most important figure, most companies are making only 3 to 5 attempts to contact the lead before discarding it. So if you want to stand out from the crowd, you should definitely reach out to them more than that. If you want to learn more strategies and techniques for your B2B marketing in 2021, you can also join us on December the 8th. We have a free webinar we are hosting. Click on the link below this video and I will be glad to meet you there. See you.